Tara, those that know you recognize that you are a beautiful person. Extraordinarily, you found your best friend, your true companion, and someone who shares and compliments your inner beauty. He's not bad looking either. Scott, no person on this earth shines brighter than Tara, and no person has made her shine more than you.
Heart and lots of love to give. She has found the right person who appreciates, reciprocates, and showers her with endless amounts of love and respect that she so clearly deserves.
Scott and I talk every day. Whether it's a conversation about life's twists and turns or simply strategizing out our dinner and drinks attack on the weekend, we know we can always count on each other. To the both of you, I'm so happy you not only found each other, but found your best selves with each other.
I don't wanna let you go, I just wanna hold you close. I don't wanna let you go, I just wanna hold you close. I don't wanna let you go, I just wanna hold you
Tara.
I'm the luckiest guy in the world. Our days together have quickly turned into months, then into years. I will now get to call you my wife. Being here this weekend with you was no surprise to me. I have been asked several times, how did you know she was the one? I can remember waking up one summer morning down the shore after a night out in Ocean City, Maryland, our spot. We had the best weekend. We're sitting on the back porch having our coffee. It was at this moment I was the happiest I'd ever been in my life. I was with the most beautiful, thoughtful, caring, and fun person in one of my favorite places during my favorite time of the year. I had never felt what I had in that moment and knew that I needed to be with you for the rest of my life. I promise you, Tara, to be your constant companion, always by your side in the best of worst of days. To be your protector, to support you in your hardest times, and be your biggest fan each and every day. I promise to love you for who you are and what you are most passionate about. I promise to keep your feet warm and be the footrest of the couch.
That's important.
Finally, I promise to never take for granted those moments that may seem so small, because look where that got us. Thank you for being my person. Love you first and always.
Today is the day I marry my best friend. The love of my life, my favorite person in the world, my companion, my protector, my partner. Boy, am I lucky. But today is only the second best day of my life. The first best day of my life took place 2,286 days ago. This was the day I met you. You came into my life and showed me a love I never knew existed. You showed me complete selflessness. You made me feel more important and safe and secure than I have ever felt. I vow to make you feel as important and loved as you have made me feel every day since the day we met. You have been and always will be my #1 priority, no matter what. I promise to do all I can to give you a happy and fulfilled life. I know that life won't always be perfect or easy, but I will be here to support you and stand with you through it all. I promise to listen and be patient as you always are with me. I promise to always dance with you and keep life fun. I will forever be faithful and committed to you as your wife and best friend. 2,286 days down and forever more to go. I love you today and I will love you always.
As the mother of the bride, I have to say, this is a very proud moment for me. Seeing my daughter, my Tara, married her honey bear. Tara is truly the kindest, most caring person I know, and she's always been that way. Tara, I'm so proud of you for all you've accomplished and for the smart, independent, beautiful inside and out, strong woman you have become. There's nothing more important to me than your happiness. And Scott, there's no one in the world that makes her as happy as you do. I am so grateful to have you as my son-in-law, and I admire what you do day to day, protecting and serving as a police officer. My mind is at ease knowing that Tara will be safe by your side.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Here's to a lifetime of love, laughter, health, and happiness. Salute, l'chaim, cheers.